It's really cool to be able to do something once or maybe 10 times, but the real power comes from being able to do something 100 times, 1,000 times, 10,000 times, and see consistent results every single time. This is something that we really appreciated about working with QIAGEN on the QIAsymphony Connect platform. The platform was robust, the platform was consistent, and the platform gave us incredible results every single time. At Myriad Genetics, we're a leader in genetic testing. We develop tests in both the oncology space and for neonatal applications. My research focuses mainly on understanding homologous recombination deficiency. Homologous recombination deficiency testing can allow us to better target specific cancer drugs to people that will get the most benefit from those cancer drugs. Liquid biopsy tests are really exciting because they open up new ways for us to understand and track the progression of disease in patients. One promising aspect of liquid biopsy has to do with minimum residual disease testing. Minimum residual disease testing allows for a patient to be sampled over time and for doctors to more closely monitor a patient so that if they start to relapse from their cancer, we can treat that relapse more effectively and quickly. In the last 5 years, we've seen an increase in both interest and volume for liquid biopsy testing. We process over 300,000 samples a week. We're hoping to increase these volumes, especially in our neonatal testing as well as in our precise MRD oncology testing spaces. We've been using QIAsymphony SP at Myriad Genetics to extract DNA from whole blood and saliva since 2009. When we learned that QIAGEN was offering a new version of the QIAsymphony Connect, we were really excited to test it out, especially considering the focus the QIAsymphony Connect has on liquid biopsy applications and DNA extraction from plasma. For operators with experience with QIAsymphony SP, they were really excited to get their hands on the QIAsymphony Connect and see the workflow improvements. The first time we ran an extraction on QIAsymphony Connect, we were delighted to see how quick and efficient the deck scanning was, as well as how easy the user experience was, and how simple it was for us to set up these complicated extractions. We have had a really positive experience working with QIAsymphony Connect in the lab. QIAsymphony Connect has simplified our sample extraction and allowed us to extract more samples faster with really high cell-free DNA yields. When we get more cfDNA from a sample, that translates to a better result for the patient. For users like Myriad Genetics, who have a lot of experience and assays running on QIAsymphony SP, one thing we were really excited about was the ability to take assays that run on QIAsymphony SP and run them on QIAsymphony Connect without having to use different reagents or change anything about our setup. This will make it easier for us to move from QIAsymphony SP to QIAsymphony Connect and allow for us to process more samples faster without having to do any changes on our end. The consistency of performance that we've come to expect from QIAsymphony SP is there on Connect as well. All of the assays that we run on QIAsymphony SP give us the same or better results on QIAsymphony Connect in less time and with less hands-on. I'm really excited about our expansion into liquid biopsy testing. I think we've seen great results with our precise MRD assay, and we've also seen great results with our neonatal testing, our FirstGene and Prequel platforms. I'm excited to adapt more of our oncology testing to liquid biopsy and use these new technologies and new automation platforms to be able to provide more consistent and high-quality results to patients every day.